Yes!
Yes!
Yeah.
We never have to leave. Head on over to my Instagram, Making It Happen vlog. I'm about to hit 90k followers.
And you wanna talk on the low. And if you wanna break, baby, we can. Hit the rooftop alone. And let me make you smile, baby, all night. Look around, baby, get sleepy. You know that we can do it every weekend. But you just wanna talk on the low. And your father.
What is up, guys? Welcome to a beautifully gloomy day in Manila. Today we are going to enjoy all the benefits of staying at home here in Manila. Today we have a few deliveries that are going to be made. For one, we're going to get a delivery from Rarefood.
Yes.
And we're also going to get a delivery from Rarefood Shop, which means we're going to get fresh vegetables and fruits, and we're going to get some delicious meats to feast on over the next few days. Today we're just going to show you a few of the improvements that we've made to our apartment here in Makati. While Nelly's going to show you around a little bit in the apartment, how she's decorated it, I'm going to finish off our annex kitchen back there. I got finally the screws that I was missing and some joints, so I'll finish off that now. And yeah, today's going to be a very nice and chill day. We also have a delivery coming from boozy.ph, a few bottles of beer and some wine.
Weekend.
It's weekend, Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
We're so out of sync.
Anyway, guys, how are you all doing? Let me know in the comments down below. What are you doing today? What has been exciting about your week, and what are your plans for this week? And I'm going to be reading the comments when this video goes online, so I really want to know.
Yeah, and maybe you saw it on our Instagram stories. We found a very reliable little, how do you say, supply shop for DIY when it comes to Mike's project.
Yes, Silver Rose Hardware Store.
Yes, we'll link it down below because we saw a few things at Ace Hardware and also at Wilcon Depot, but it was like 5 times the price.
Oh yeah.
So it's like a small shop, so
yeah. Let's support small local businesses. That's what we're all about.
Yes.
That's not all we're all about.
But also save a little bit of money.
Exactly.
That wouldn't hurt. Yeah.
True. True. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna head back to the annex and start building the stuff together.
On low. All day, all night, so free. It's like so sweet, the sunshine sometimes. All day, all night, so free. It's like so sweet, the sunshine sometimes. All day, all night, so free. It's like
I have something very, very exciting today. First of all, we are getting a veggie delivery, which comes directly from the farm to our doorstep. So we don't even have to leave the house. We went to the market last week and it was fairly empty. So it was really hard to get some fresh produce that is not from the supermarket and wrapped in like tons of plastic. So I'm going to open their box with you guys today and show you what's inside. Okay, first order of business, let's open it. Mike? Michael? Do you want to see what's in the box?
I would love to see what's in the box.
Wee!
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Surprise! It's veggies!
Oh, we got some delicious pomelo.
Mmm.
So much greenery.
Mm.
Tomatoes. Some more tomatoes. Nice.
Okay, let me have a quick look inside.
I'm really looking forward to this pomelo because we really enjoyed the pomelo we had the other day.
Yeah. So we basically ordered all these veggies, so you can define by yourself what you need. So we were craving some broccoli and cauliflower. And we also, what is that?
Ginger.
Ginger. Everything is plastic free, which I really like, because going to the supermarket comes with a lot of waste. Okay, we had this box ordered like a few days ago.
Yeah.
And
we can make ginger pineapple shots.
yeah, I think
Because we got our juicer again.
yes.
Yes.
We ordered this box 1 week ago, and
Yeah.
we really liked the veggies. Taste super delicious. I think the carrot was really,
So
really
sweet,
amazing. Yeah.
right? And the
pomelo. The
The
pomelo.
favorite.
Oops, sorry. The pomelo was one of the best that we ever had.
Yeah.
Usually we can't even finish one piece, but this one was so good.
Yeah, so delicious. So we can make pineapple ginger shots, and we can have roasted broccoli and cauliflower with Greek yogurt, which we have in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
really nice. We got some nice steaks from Rarefood Shop as well.
Yes.
This is the nice thing about Manila, you know, you can stay at home and just order these fresh veggies
Yeah.
and produce and have it delivered home. You don't have to go out and, you know, be in danger of getting sick.
Yeah.
Get everything delivered home, and it's fresh and it's delicious and it's nice, and it's there's so many different things in here.
Yeah. We also ordered their meat and fish last time, but I wasn't too happy about the packaging, so I have to give them feedback, so maybe they can change it. And this box is, by the way, not sponsored. We purchased this because we saw it on George and Lucy's YouTube. Oh, Mike, can you help me quickly?
But the Rarefood Shop box that we showed
Yes.
earlier, that was sponsored.
Yes,
I mean,
that
they
was sent
sent
to
it
us.
us for free,
Yeah.
so we didn't get paid, but
We didn't get paid, no.
they did send it to us.
But the things that were inside were really amazing.
Yeah.
We already cooked the what is it called?
The spare ribs
The
were
spare ribs
delicious.
and
The
the
scallops.
Scallops. Oh my god, the pasta that we had. Maybe you follow Mike on Instagram. He posted the scallop pasta on Instagram. It was so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll link this below. I really like their service. They are a small business, so if something is not going 100% right, please be patient with them, because they just started out during this pandemic, so they had to get everything up and running during a very tough time. And yeah, I will send them my feedback, because I really want them to succeed. I'm really happy about this, because in Austria we also have it's called Gemüsekistel, where the farmer sends out boxes with, you know, produce that they have. Also, Mike, oops, sorry. Turn around.
Oh, the plant.
Yes.
Very nice. Also, just delivered home.
Yeah.
We never have to leave.
I really love this box. Oh my god. What a pineapple. Wow, with 2 crowns. And I swear, these carrots are so delicious. So good. Looking forward to this one. Asparagus, we had it roasted in the oven. It was so delicious. Okay, and I also had a few other things shipped to us in the last few days, and I'm so excited, because as you guys know, my plants died. So I reached out to my ladies from Pot Twist to see how they are doing at the moment, and they mentioned that they still need a little bit time to get up and running, because this whole quarantine thing hit them really hard. So they have to take care of the nursery, so right now they have to wait to be able to send some plants. But I looked at Facebook Marketplace and found a few gems, I would say. For example, this rubber plant. I always wanted to have a rubber plant. And then I got another snake plant, because they're so super resistant. And the Z plant, which is the one that was also thriving. This is the rubber plant. Second snake plant. Here is the second Z plant. And then I also got these small plants, and these two. And it's so dangerous to go on Facebook Marketplace, because you will find so many things, and the prices are actually very affordable. So everybody ships via Lalamove or Grab, which is really cool. And I just had to go to the bank and transfer them the money. One more thing that I have not showed you yet, but I will do so now. I got some decorational stuff here for the bedroom. As you can see in the background, it all looks already a little bit more cozy. I got some dried plants, I got some frames, I got a small mirror. A big mirror is on the way, and it will be right here with a golden frame. This is a small mirror that I will hang up somewhere else. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might know that I was looking for some decorational stickers for furniture. So I want to make this cupboard here in a nice dark blue with golden, how do you call this? Golden thingies to open, with golden handles to open. So this will be a very unique piece in the bedroom. I still have to see if I will find the right foil. If I don't find it, I might consider just making a, I don't know, different color. So yeah. Yeah, I'll give you a closer look because I really love the items. This is from Hygge Living. They also just started out a few weeks ago with the business, so I really love this mirror. It's so cute. You can even see yourself, I guess. And it's just such a nice accent piece for at home. Then we have some of this grass. I don't know what it is called, but I really like it. And I also got this one. Maybe if you remember the vlogs from when we went to Mindoro, I was actually looking for something like that, but the ones that I got from Mindoro was a little bit, yeah, it was like falling apart in the apartment. So the girl from Hygge Living said to me I can just fix it with some hairspray. And I also got these dried flowers. And this dried leaf is actually called the, it's actually called the anihab leaf, which is, I believe, the national plant of the Philippines. At least I was told so. So I'm still looking for some vases and baskets to put like everything nicely together. But I'm slowly getting there. And then over here, I just put like this little frame with the fox. Here will be another small frame. Put my hat as a decorational item, and here we have some lavender and my beloved thriving snake plant. Okay, one last thing. So I was actually looking for some vases, so I just took our Pinky's Farm glass bottle to put this in, and I might just color this or paint this in a different color. If you have any suggestions how to do it and with which color or which color is the best on glass, let me know, because I'm not very familiar with the brands here in the Philippines. So I might go to Welcome Depot tomorrow and see if they can give me some suggestions. But if you guys are familiar with some DIY or yeah, or anything that is related with that, please let me know on my Instagram. Okay, it's slowly getting cozier at home.
It is.
Yeah.
Too many pillowcases.
Oh, you love the pillowcases. Admit it.
They look nice.
What are you drinking there? Oops.
This is iced espresso with macadamia. It's a macadamia latte. This is from Cafe 76. They were supposed to open in Legazpi village before the whole corona thing happened, so they had to postpone it, but they sent us a box of iced coffees, which are super delicious.
And some iced teas.
I like it. It's a little bit sweet, but it's really nice. I'm not into sweet coffees, but these are really nice.
Yeah.
We'll link it in the description down below. They got a nice Instagram account which you can check out, follow, maybe order some coffee. Let's support the local businesses. And how's it going? Good, I'm getting there.
Yeah?
Maybe 1 hour and then I'm done.
Nice.
Just fine tuning all the feet, that everything is level.
Yeah.
And then once everything is level, I can actually mount the top plate. It's going to be flipped around, the other side is the nice side. And then we can sand it down and then we can either put on a varnish or we can cover it. So that needs to be figured out.
So the plan is to make this look really nice.
Yes.
Then here we'll have some tiles, like metro tiles. Whoops. Ah, focus.
Why do you tap the screen 20 times?
Because it doesn't react.
One tap.
It doesn't react properly.
Nelly always goes like this. just one tap.
We were also looking for some light here to make it very bright. I think we wanted to do some kind of LED lights here, so everything is really nicely
lit.
But yeah, that's another topic.
That is a challenge for another day.
Yeah. Small steps.
Baby steps. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's little apartment update. I really love how the annex kitchen is coming together. Literally everything is built now besides the shelves, and we're going to start decorating it over the next few weeks. And then hopefully that's going to be done, I think in the next few days it'll be done, and then I can start actually cooking in there. I will be making pizza dough very soon and have it fermenting for a few days so we can have pizza next weekend. And
Mike got challenged to make leche flan.
Correct.
Which he will be making as well.
Yes. Once I can motivate myself to leave the house and go to the grocery store to buy the things. Right now I'm enjoying the fact that I don't have to leave, that I can just stay in the safety of my home. And yeah, it's been very, very nice. I've been loving it. I really have been loving it. So guys, let us know in the comments down below what else you want to see from our apartment, what kind of cooking videos you want to see, and please head on over to my Instagram Making It Happen vlog. I'm about to hit 90k followers on Instagram, which is really exciting, and maybe one of you guys can be number 90,000, then it's kind of a road to 100k. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, I'd highly appreciate it if you do so. Also check out Nelly's Instagram account. I put both accounts in here. But for now, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen. Bye-bye.